My name is Leonard from Creative Adventures. Today we will do the unboxing of this new 4-man kayak from itiwit. Let's do it now. Okay, so very much the same concept as the itiwit kayaks, the newer ones. And this is the 4-man. Okay, so the skeg housing is still the same, standard skeg housing. And the material it is still the same as the rest of the newer itiwit kayaks. Okay, according to the specifications, right, they say 2 adults and 2 children with a recommended max capacity of 260 kg. So either you put 2 adults and 2 children or 4 adults who will not exceed 260 kg.
This kayak weighs 20 kg, the heaviest of all itiwit kayaks.
Alright, the usual itiwit seats, which I like because the backing is firm. Alright, okay, so the drop stitch floorboard, and as per the standard itiwit practice, this will be the bow where you see the brand. Okay, so let's inflate the bladders first. What is the recommended PSI for the bladder? Okay, so it is 3 PSI or 0.2 bar. Okay, which is the same actually as the recommended pressure for the rest of the itiwit drop stitch. Okay, so let's do it.
Okay, so what do we like about this 4-man kayak? First is the carrying handles, and there are 6 for this 4-man kayak, which is great. Next, the drop stitch floorboard. It is nice and firm, able to carry and support 4 persons. Well done. Next, we like the fact that it is a nice width, comfortable for 4 persons. Now, what we don't like about this kayak? First, it is not major, but it is the bag. It is 20 kg and the bag is different from the haversack of the past. How do we carry this? Next, there are too much exposed space all around the sides. Too much. So next, what we will recommend to itiwit is, number 1, I hope that they will have double stitching all around the sides for more robust seams. Next, thicker PVC. 3, a strip of protective material all around the sides so that they will be safer. And this is our detailed review of the new itiwit 4-man kayak. If you like our review, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates and more product reviews and adventures. Thank you.